Yes, there's this trending hairstyle and it is trending all over. Everyone is trying to prove it. Yes, but me on this, I'm going to be somehow different from them. That I'm going to add more creativity in that. I want to do something that is not with bond. Yes, but I still want it to look very natural. As you can see, it is straight hair, but we're going to do straight hair, but I want it to look very natural. So everyone is doing it in his or her own way, but let me try also to show you my own way, and you will tell me how it is going to look like. So let's do this together.
Morris, the critic.
All right. This time around, I'm trying to do this trending hairstyle, and most of you guys are calling it a TikTok trending hairstyle. But yes, I think that is how it is. But when I remember very well, we have been doing this for a couple of years. But the only thing that has changed here is the use of the bonding. But for myself, I'm trying so hard like not to use the bond like these other pieces. So in this video, we're going to see like how can it look like without a bond. And then you can also tell me what do you feel about using a bond or not, if like what is better for you. But me, I believe that yes, using a bond, it is fine, it looks natural, but yes, how long is it going to stay? Because most of our clients, they really want something that is going to last longer. So but still, it is all very fine. I see like it's all very fine. Yes, so I don't think we're going to talk about much here, but all I can say, let's try to see the process that I'm using. And this time around, we're going to by then we used to call it a sponge dread, and now you're calling it a low cut, but still it is the same. A sponge dread crochet and the style, a low cut, something like that. But me, I try to change it. I always want something that is different, and this is what I tried to do here. So please, let's try to see this video, and you can always comment in my comment section. Please make sure that you leave a like for me. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Yes, keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed, I would like you to click on that red button, ring the bell, because we always upload videos every week. So this is the right time you can do it. And remember, we always upload different types of hairstyles. If you try to look at my channel, I'm the person who always want to do different kind of hairstyles, so please don't miss it out. Every week I make sure I do that. And then another thing, to those who are very far, this is a right chance for you that you can now go on my website, and still, yes, you follow that link. It's going to take you on our online classes, and I'm there as an instructor to show you all the detailed videos of different types of hairstyles, and you can always get your certificate from there, and that is www.hairbyclippers.com. And then another one can be www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com. Yes, come and join us for the hairdressing course. Those short courses, you can always have them. So let's see how it is going to look like. Remember, this is straight hair, and we are trying to make it look natural. Let's do it.